Finally, I can watch Transformers without distractions.
Beep boop, look at me! Beep boop.
Sammy, what are you doing?
I've always wanted to be a Transformer, but it's not easy for a slime, you know?
Oh, Sammy, you're perfect just the way you are.
Do you really think so?
Sure. By the way, how about a new craft?
Yay! Okay, I guess this is the best reference there is. Here you go, Roger. You may start the cutting.
Really? This is the best reference?
My bad. That was just my drawing.
Now this one makes a lot more sense.
These pieces look dull. Not transformery at all. Let's color them bright.
Sorry, Sammy, but Sue is at the art school with all the paints.
Ugh. Why do I always have to do it all by myself? Sammy do this, Sammy do that. Oh, where are those flowers? They are colorful. We could use them.
Careful, careful! Here we are! You can look now!
Huh? Is that your surprise? An empty vase?
What? No! There were flowers in it! Wait!
Check out my coloring skills, Roger. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh yeah! The flowers worked well! Now we don't have to worry about the dullness of the pieces.
Wait a second. Is this a magic wand? Let's speed up.
No, 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 wait! Ah!
Oh no! Operation Crafting is in danger. I want Roger back.
Huh? Ugh, I'm okay.
Hail Tibby Dabba. Take it away, quick. It's too much power.
Okay, don't worry, buddy. We can use it for our craft, see? Alrighty, now we need to make another piece just like this one.
Talking about this thingy, huh? I built it myself.
Great job, Sam!
And here's something else. I'm so helpful.
Yeah, and very shy. So, what's next?
Next, I'm gonna go help a friend. I promised to fix his car. The oil, checked. And the engine's fine, too. Whoops, that one didn't go exactly as was planned. You didn't see me, folks.
This is a surprise for you, Barbie. You'll love it.
What? My ruined car is the surprise?
No, you got it wrong.
Yo, Roger, check these out.
Awesome. Thanks for the spare parts, Sammy. They are just what we need.
You're welcome. But where do we get the rest of the details?
Hold on a sec, that's easy. Look.
Ugh! Careful!
Oops, sorry about that. At least now we have what we need for the next step. And this piece goes here. This is what we should get. Sam, weren't you making such a piece along with me?
I was, but now it's time to put Operation Transformer Friendship into action.
Oh, really? So are you cooking up something for this?
Yup, it's the most delicious salad. There you go, buddy. Eat up. Huh? Roger, he's not eating. Did I do something wrong?
He's a Transformer. He'd hardly eat that tasty-looking salad of yours. But don't worry. He and you will defo become friends.
Okay, I'm gonna bring more pieces. Hey, what is this? Looks so yummy. This is just what Roger needs. How lucky.
You will surely enjoy the surprise this time, I promise.
What? Don't call me again. Never!
No, wait, Barbie, no!
Here you go, Roger. I just happened to find this.
So it was you, all this time.
Huh? Do you hear anything?
Nope, I don't know what you're talking about. Now let's do this. This technique will allow this wooden piece open and close like a door.
Wow, it looks so cool already. What are we going to do
Next, we're dealing with the wheels. Come on, come on! Oh yeah! Now you shall know my wrath, Samuel.
Oh, with all those crafts, I didn't even realize I missed lunch.
Hey you, I hear you're hungry. Want a cookie?
Thank you, right about time. Such a creepy guy.
Oh, you're so welcome. Sam, what are you chewing on? Hey, that's our Transformers wheel. What are you doing, bro?
So that's why the cookie was so tasteless. Oh no, did I ruin the tire?
I have a spare, but that should be a good lesson to you. Never take anything from strangers. You can't know what their intentions are. You figured out my plans, Roger. Well, I've got more tricks up my sleeve. Sam will trip over this and ruin the craft.
Our craft is so exciting. Oh, what do we have here? Beach curls. That's lucky.
Sammy, it's part of our craft. Give it back.
Hey! Oh, come on!
Sorry, buddy, but it's all about the Transformer today. And this is how the wheels are going to be attached? Here's a tiny but very important piece. And it's done. By the way, Sam, could you help me install the bumper?
No problem. Let's see. Done. That'll be 500 cat coins.
All right, let's see. Uh-oh, sorry. And my cat boss won't pay me until next week.
I see. Then just give me back everything I've done.
Easy, easy, Sam. Can I pay you with these candy?
Now we're talking. That's even better. Thanks.
Ooh, that was close. Well, let's see, shall we? Yep, everything works like it should. Now this time my evil plan will definitely work. Hey, where are the craft parts?
Are you sure you left them here? Maybe they're over there? Nope, nothing. I'll go look for them. Come on, they have to be somewhere, right? Auto parts? Great.
Welcome to my spare parts store, Wanderer. Ha!
Oh, thank you. Can I have these, please? My friend and I are making a Transformer, and we kind of need... Huh?
Hey, you don't have a license to sell spare parts here.
Oops, gotta go.
Come back, you!
Whoa! If that's the case, I'll just say I found them. Ooh, I'm so slick. Yo, Raj, check it out.
Finally. Great job, Sammy. I was about to start thinking that our craft was doomed.
I would never let that happen. Our Transformer will be the best.
Now that I'm sure of.
Look, I almost put the leg together. Isn't that cool?
That's super cool, buddy. I will only add some decorative elements. I want to use some magic to decorate this side as well. And just like that, one leg is done. Why am I so unlucky? This time I have to succeed.
Hey, you creepy stranger, give it back! It's not yours!
I will take it away. Oopsie!
What? Ken?
I failed again. No wonder Barbie doesn't want to be friends with me anymore.
Hey, buddy, come on! It's gonna be all right!
Will you help me, Sam? Oh, will you help me get her back?
Yeah, sure! Just let's find you a handkerchief first!
Whoa, what a drama! I guess I'll keep working on my own. Now, this already looks like something awesome, right? Let's keep going. Oh, where's Sam? Do I really have to do everything by myself? That's kind of not fair. Don't you think so, friends? Sammy, buddy, will you help with the craft or not? Hey, Sammy, that's the part I've been looking for.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Ken's fate is at stake.
I wonder what that even means. Oh, I hope this will work.
Come this way. Someone here can't wait to talk to you.
What? You? Not again.
Hi, Barbie. I'm so sorry. Here's a surprise I hope you like.
Oh, you're lucky I'm really hungry.
Here you go, Roger. Take it, and I'll help Ken get the cake.
Cake? Sammy, I thought we were making a transformer here, not a dessert.
Where is the dessert? I'm starving.
Coming right up.
Sam?
Huh?
Sam, I need those pieces.
They are all ready. Catch!
Thank you, buddy. Now we can attach the both wings.
Hey, where's the cake? I was bringing the cake.
Open. Close. Open. Huh? How did this get here?
Just ignore it. You're doing great, Roger.
It's taking too long to wait for Sammy. I'll get the dessert for my sweetheart myself. Don't you worry, Barbie. I'll fetch you something. Ah, that's the one.
Hey, what's going on?
Here you go, Barbie. And the movie's about to start. Let's go.
Roger, what is that thing stuck to me?
Stay still, buddy. Oh, this is just what we needed for the craft. Check this out.
I will never ever help Ken again.
Well, at least they made up, and we're almost done here, too.
Here is the major piece, the head of our transformer.
All right, let's get it in place, and it's done. Doesn't it look great? Let's check it out once more.
This is so good. Hey, where's our transformer?
I'm right behind you, buddy. Can you pass me some popcorn?
Here you go, pal.
Whoa! This is so cool! We have a real transformer here.
This is it for today. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. Bye-bye.
Yeah! See you soon, everyone!